First, I'm going to show you how to prepare the formula milk for babies. We have, of course, the materials needed in preparing formula milk for the baby is ito. We have a formula milk and a scoop inside the milk formula. Plain boiled water, the feeding bottles, and the leveler at the top. First is we're going to read the instruction of the formula milk, how to prepare the and the expiration of the formula milk. So the expiration is December 2023, and the ratio is 1:1. It means 1 ounce of water and 1 scoop of formula milk. Now I'm going to start. You can hold the feeding bottle. Put the water first. I put 2 ounces of water. It is important to put water first to make your formula milk exact. Do not add more water and do not also less the milk. Then we're going to add 2 scoops of milk. We're going to use the leveler. One, two. Then we're going to put the nipple into the rim. Do not touch the rim by your hand because it's going to be contaminated. And put it in the cup. Attach the cup. Next is going to gently shake the milk, or we're going to shake it by using between your palm. Do not overshake the formula milk because it can create bubbles, and bubbles make the baby uncomfortable and it causes colic. Now we're going to feed the baby. Position the baby in an upright position. Be sure that the head is higher than its body. Now we're going to get the feeding formula to feed the baby. We're going to make a rooting reflex. Then the baby will go. Be sure that the nipple is full for not creating for not to suck the air of the baby, because the air, the gas, it can make colic to baby. Then after that, in a halfway of feeding, we're going to burp the baby. I have a towel here to manage the mess of the baby in burping. And we're going to put the baby over my shoulder, against my shoulder. Be sure that the nose of the baby is covered so that she can burp. Then gently tap the back of the baby. or rub it. After she can burp, you're going to feed her again. Take the formula milk, remove the cup, and then going to then if the formula milk is empty at the end of the feedings, we're going to burp the baby again. Then tap the back gently or rub the top of the baby. And that's how to make the formula milk of the baby, the feeding the baby, and burping the baby.